Ever wondered why that itchy, uncomfortable sensation just won't go away? Today, we're diving into the world of yeast and candida overgrowth. This condition can manifest in many ways, from bothersome itching to chronic fatigue. But don't fret, we're not here to just talk about the problem. This video will guide you step by step on how to conquer this persistent issue so you can reclaim your comfort and well-being. So, are you ready to say goodbye to that irksome itch? Stay tuned if you're seeking a solution to this irritating problem. Let's kick off with understanding what yeast and candida overgrowth really is. Yeast is a type of fungus that naturally resides in our bodies, specifically in the gut. Candida, on the other hand, is a specific type of yeast. It's normal to have some candida in your system. However, problems arise when there's an overgrowth, and that's when we talk about candida overgrowth. This overgrowth can be triggered by various factors, including a high-sugar diet, antibiotics, or a weakened immune system. The impact of candida overgrowth on health can be significant. It can cause a myriad of symptoms such as fatigue, digestive issues, and frequent infections. In severe cases, it can even lead to more serious health conditions. So it's not just about an annoying itch or discomfort, it's about maintaining a balanced internal environment for optimal health. Now that you understand the what and why, it's time to delve into the how to cure it. Getting rid of yeast and candida overgrowth requires a systematic approach. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step guide that will help you in your journey to a healthier you. The first step is dietary changes. It's essential to nourish your body with the right foods to help it fight against the overgrowth. Avoid sugar, alcohol, and refined carbohydrates, as yeast thrives on these. Instead, focus on consuming fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Incorporate fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, as they are rich in probiotics that help restore the balance of your gut flora. The second step involves lifestyle modifications. Stress is a significant contributor to yeast and candida overgrowth, therefore it's crucial to incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine. Regular exercise is also essential. It not only helps manage stress but also boosts your immune system, aiding in the fight against overgrowth. The third step is to ensure you're getting enough sleep. Your body needs time to heal and regenerate, and this happens predominantly during sleep. The fourth step might involve medical treatments. If your symptoms are severe or persistent, you may need to consult with a healthcare professional. Lastly, remember to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins from your body and keep your digestive system running smoothly. These steps, when combined, create a holistic approach to battling yeast and candida overgrowth. It's not about quick fixes, but rather long-term lifestyle changes that will not only help you get rid of the overgrowth, but also improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to treating yeast and candida overgrowth. Implement these steps gradually, be patient with yourself, and don't expect overnight results. With time and consistency, you'll see improvements and regain control over your health. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We've learned that yeast and candida overgrowth is a common issue, often overlooked, but it can significantly affect your health. It's not just about discomfort or minor symptoms, it can lead to more serious health problems if left unchecked. We've taken a journey through understanding this condition, identifying its causes, symptoms, and the impact it has on our bodies. More importantly, we've explored a comprehensive step-by-step guide to curing yeast and candida overgrowth. This includes dietary changes, natural remedies, and lifestyle modifications that can help manage and eventually eliminate this overgrowth. Remember, tackling yeast and candida overgrowth isn't a one-time thing. Consistency is key. It's about making lasting changes to your diet and lifestyle, and being patient as your body adjusts and heals. With the right approach and a little patience, you can say goodbye to yeast and candida overgrowth for good. For more health tips and advice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.